All right, so this is the Flutter app group project demonstration, group 8 with Nate Ash. As you can see, I have just done a refresh. This logins. I will go ahead and log in. I'm going to start by demonstrating settings. So we updated this. It no longer goes orange. Everything is now teal to match the buttons down here. Felt more cohesive. So went ahead and did that. And I'm going to leave it in this mode because I like how it looks better. So we're going to go back to the home screen. I want to show off the home screen first. We've got the, um, the add new recipe button now in the top left. Didn't look right floating down here. Uh, it was the only floating element, so we've kind of changed it to be up here on the top. Um, in addition, there's now a search bar, as you can see, and there is a tag filtering. I'll go ahead and start with those. So the search bar will now, of course, act as a search bar. It's not a complex concept. Um, Go ahead and just do a quick search for tomato. This is every recipe that uses tomato. We added a lot of recipes to the list just to kind of have more search and sort for our very. Um, if this is still too much for you to figure out what you want to do, then you can also come in here and go through your tags. Um, We have multiple tag sections. We've got it sorted out by dietary restriction. If there aren't any of those which are applicable to the meal that you want, there's also various cuisines: Italian, Japanese, Mediterranean, American, French, Spanish, British, Indian, Pan Asian. So it's kind of other Asian, like Chinese food or whatever. Different meals, so breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert, and then types of dish. It's kind of um, it's an other category. So things that are quick and easy, for instance, and then things that are cheap. Those are always good. Cheap and expensive are both here. So we'll apply those tags, um, and the search for tomato gives us these five. So there's spaghetti, classic, salad, margarita pizza, tacos, grain bowl. Um, let's go ahead and add to our meal plan. That'll kind of give us something else. So first of all, when you open an individual recipe, you'll see that tags for that recipe are visible here. Each of those tags can be edited, of course, if you wanted to. Spaghetti is tagged as Italian. It's for dinner. It's quick and easy meal. You can go ahead and change that if you wanted to. You can also make it a favorite. So we'll make this a favorite because everybody likes spaghetti. We'll add it to the meal plan. Let's say we're going to have spaghetti on Monday night for dinner. Let's confirm that. If we're going to have it on the meal plan, so we get a little snack bar at the bottom when we add it. We also probably want to add it to our grocery. So we'll add it to the. I also want to have Taco Tuesday. We're going to add that on Tuesday as a dinner. Um, sure, why not? And then, that seems good. We'll go ahead and clear this out and we'll clear the search. And then I want to have a dessert in here as well. So let's go find us a dessert. Sorry, there. Yeah, let's make some snickerdoodles and we'll add those, I don't know, just like Wednesday night for dessert or something. So we'll confirm that. Seems good. Sure. So now let's go look at the meal plan. Oh, I don't think that we added these. There we go. So the meal plan now shows Sunday is empty, but Monday we have a dinner plan. Tuesday there's a dinner plan, and Wednesday we know we want to make dessert. So that's delightful. Um, that's just kind of if you've forgotten also what the dessert plan was, for example, for Wednesday, you can click this down arrow and it'll show you that you've got dessert planned and nothing else planned for the day. So there you go. There's your meal plan screen. Our grocery lists is going to show us everything that's here. I don't know if there's anything that is used in multiple recipes on this page. So let me go back and add something else. So I know that pizza shares some ingredients with spaghetti. So we'll go back to the grocery list now. Um, we can see we need ground beef for the spaghetti. Um, did I not add the tacos? Wait a minute. I don't think I added those to the list. Okay, now we should be good. Yeah, so now the ground beef, you notice there's more. Now you need 900 grams of ground beef because that's used in the spaghetti and the beef taco. All right, so that's great. We're in the grocery store. We've already found our ground beef and we got it in the cart, so that's good. We've already got spaghetti noodles at home, so we don't need to have those on the list. Uh, and then olive oil, we can see is spaghetti bolognese and pizza. So good. We've picked up our olive oil. As you go through and you continue to pick things up that you have, if you got it already, you can take it off the list, pick it up, you can check it off in the store. Uh, yeah, there you go. So on and so forth. If you're ever not sure what something's used for, you can click the cloche here and it'll show you what meal it's in. And that's your grocery list. When you finish your grocery shopping for the week, you can go ahead and clear the grocery list, fresh for you next time around. Um, our meal plan again, I don't think we actually put pizza on a day. Just selected it for the grocery list. Um, we can go ahead and add it to a meal plan. Let's make it Wednesday lunch. And then we'll go look at the meal plan, and we see that lunch is there and dessert is there for Wednesday. Yeah, that's all that. I think that might be everything. Oh, one last thing. When you're creating a recipe, it does give you the option, go away, to add your tags as you're creating the recipe. I won't go through the process all that. Trust that it does work. That's it. So we've got the yeah, we showed off everything. I think that's all of it. So thank you very much.